them to crumble my marriage.
So,
look, I am done with that marriage. I am out for good.
So,
to bet you again. To bet you again. God forbid. Over my dead body will I be alive and watch if I can have daughters during my daughter's marriage. No way. Listen, this time we must fight back. War! War! War, I said! War, Mama. What did you do?
Pick up for.
Did I just hear you say war? Listen, is this really my mother? Mama, what happened? I can still remember when we were still kids. You bring us together. Unity, love, peace is the ultimate. Where are those words now? Mama, what has happened to you?
That was old modern language. Enough of Ifaka and her daughter's trouble. Enough! The only thing that sits in my head right now is war. War! I'm not afraid of war! Yes, Mama. Look at it.
Please come back, please. Please. Let that be the case. I am highly disappointed in you. Eh? War in this family. What has happened to you? It took you so many years to mold us into who we are today. Just look at us. Peace loving. So what is this issue of war that I'm hearing now?
Okay, it's the children that started it.
It took you so many years to sow. And now it is time for you to reap your harvest bountifully. You want to set your own harvest on fire. And please, I implore you. Continue being that peace-loving mother you have always known. Continue being an example to the world. Please, be that mother of all that I have always known you to be. War brings disaster. Please, calm down. Sister Dinebi, please, you need to know that marriage was ordained right in Eden by God Himself. Please go back to your husband. Yes, please, go back. Father Rogi and I, please, we always remember you in our prayers. Please, my daughter. Oh, yes. You see, it is the job of the enemy to get you angry. Okay? And it is the job of anger to get you into bigger problems. Please, you would have to return to your husband's house now. Okay? And as you go back, make sure you have no room for anger in your life anymore. Because they say anger is just a little short of anger. Yes. The Lord bless you. And the Father is one of the things. Amen. Please. And be honest with me.
We are facing. You see everybody? Huh? Is that water not too dirty to wash the car? So you want to see million.
So I will change another one.
So now I will remind you, I will tell you that the water you are using to wash my car is dirty. You try to motor. You go to motor.
Sorry, sir.
Hello.
You are back.
I'm sorry for waking up on that. Please forgive me.
It's okay. You're welcome.
Not in my house. Yeah? This silly. So you're back. Eh? If you want to fornicate, go and pay for a hotel room. I'm gonna come on you. Get out of my house. Where you go for here? You're still looking at me. You are very mad. I say get out. Come on, get away. I'm not there. Take that.
Just say no.
You are safe. I'm put them on your sense.
My fathers.